Hey Brickheads, Scott with 36 Bricks here, taking a look at day 14 of all 5 Advent calendars, set number 41690, 75307, 76196, 76390, and 60303. Let's check them all out. Alright guys, checking out day number 14 right on over here. We are on the back half and it looks like we have an awesome firefighter minifigure. That's cool. As you guys know, I always love getting minifigures. Definitely a perk in any set. This one actually has sideburns, doesn't have hair, but has sideburns, which is very interesting. Hat goes backwards, of course, and then a beautiful red and silver axe. I really love the red and silver axe. It really gives it some character and some love. Awesome stuff. Love it. Moving on to Star Wars. Where are we at? Day 14. Alright, again, not exactly sure what this build is, other than it looks like a gun holster. Gun holsters are always good. Put this in. We have 2 different guns. Looks like they go upside down on this. And right here at the barrel, this pops on. And then we have bam and boom. Alright, so there you have it. We have a nice little, I guess, gun rack. Little plain Jane, to be honest. Not much to it, but it is still a cool little build. Love the colors. Love the overall look. Good stuff. Moving on to Harry Potter. And we got gold. We got gold, we got gold, we got gold. Alright, so not sure if you saw the video yesterday. Every single day I'm doing all these calendars, and yesterday we opened what looked to be like a vault, and essentially this just looks like a bunch of gold. To be honest, a little disappointed in the build. Overall, it's just you're literally just, I don't know. There's nothing real to it. To be honest, but you know, that's okay. All gold is good. Gold is good. Gold is good. And I was right in that yesterday's build was a big vault, because since this is all gold and the two go together, it just makes sense that this is a pile of gold. Again, a little weak for a build, but nevertheless, good times and good fun. So, not sure exactly how many are supposed to be in this set. Because they give you extra of the gold pieces, you can just clearly add on to it. As I did, I utilized all the pieces. But like I said, I mean, this is kind of weak of a build. I mean, it's not really all that special. I wish there was something here. Maybe if this is supposed to attach to the other build, maybe have some kind of instruction to do so. But nevertheless, I mean, it's cool, but at the same time, it's just kind of very... Moving on to Avengers Day 14. Alright, and it looks like we have the Tony Stark's robot, which is a cool little build. Now I will say, this is supposed to be an Avengers kind of build, or Avengers set. There's not much Avengers to it at this point. We are more than halfway in, and to be honest, a lot of it is Tony Stark. A lot of it is you know, based around Iron Man and Tony Stark and all of that. So it's a little surprising, to be honest. I was hoping a little bit more of, you know, actual Avengers. Is that a new piece? I think that's a new piece. I've never seen that piece before. That's a cool piece. I like that. Almost looks like a duck. Sorry, I'm stupid. Alright, so there's that, and then it looks like it's kind of a stocking build where we are, the robot is building like Tony Stark's stocking, which is nice. It's a cute little build. I'm just, so here's the build. It comes with 2 extra pieces, which is, of course, always good. We get a 1x1 round trans blue tile, as well as whatever this piece is called. Don't know exactly what that piece is called. But nevertheless, this is the build. Nice little cute robot. Definitely going to use that in my Avengers Tower. Not necessarily going to add this into it, but nevertheless, it is a cute build. So, cool stuff. Day number 14. Ooh, this looks intricate. Ooh. Yes. And this is why I always say, guys, you know, you might not be a Friends fan or a Friends line fan, but you know what? Check out the sets. Do yourself a favor, open your mind up, and really take a look at the sets, because I want you. This is awesome. I already see what it is. I am obviously super excited. I'm not going to spoil it on this one. I'm going to make you wait until I build the whole thing. And I'm going to talk through this, so this part isn't going to be a speed build, but I am excited for this. Yeah, boy! Holla at your boy. This is a... Oh. Alright, so this is a cool piece. This is a cool set. Anybody know what it is yet? Anybody know? Anybody? Bueller? I like this. I like this a lot. This is cool. This is cool. we go. One more time. Alright, take a look. It is a nice little piano. Check out the printed tiles on those. It is, to be honest, pretty small. I could definitely take this and make it bigger. So I am all about that, but check that out. Like I said, guys, give the Friends line a chance. Check out the parts, check out the sets. I don't think if you just take a look at the parts by themselves, I don't think a lot of people will be disappointed. So the parts are amazing. Little build's awesome. I really love this. That is awesome. Alright guys, so day 14 in the books. Gotta love the parts. I love these little builds. This is awesome. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tell me in the comments below what your favorite out of these builds are. And we will see you next time on 36 Bricks. Hey Brickheads, Scott with 36 Bricks here, and I just want to give a special thank you to all my Patreon and YouTube members. It really does mean a lot that you guys are investing in me and my channel, and I am super excited that you love everything that we're doing on the channel. So thank you guys so much. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you like my content and want more, you can sign up with my memberships on both Patreon and YouTube, and we will see you next time on 36 Bricks. Ooh, this one's cool. Check this one out. I agree, that one's cool, but this one's awesome. Ooh, I like this one. I just can't stop watching. Well, I like them all, and I'm gonna subscribe. Can you do the same? Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on 36 Bricks.